This is a tip on how to do squats in case you have that overpronation and your feet are collapsing inward, and also when you do squats, if your knees tend to go inward. So first of all, you have to equally distribute weight on your foot, on the inside and outside of your foot. In order to do that, this band will help you by placing the band just above your knees, keeping your feet and knees shoulder width apart, and doing squats that way. If that's too hard to do, then you can get a box or a chair, hip hinge, hips back, sit back and stand up. Sit down and stand up. And then next step is adding another band just above your ankles and doing the same.